So in this video, I will show you how to add glow effect to object or text or image for your CapCut video. After you open the CapCut like this, for this video, I'll use text as an example. So I'll click on this text. After I add my text, I'll go to this section and delete all the text. After I delete all the text, now I'll type in full stop. So I will increase the size of the full stop. So after I increase the size, I'll take it to up. So now I get a shape. As you can see now, I get a cycle shape. So now I'll go ahead now and add the glow effect to this object. So under the after you select the text, so go to this text basics, then scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, so here is it now. Go and check on this glow, scroll to down and click on this glow, then click on this color. So here right now and choose a color. So for this video, I want to use this blue effects. After I choose this one, scroll to down. So if you want, you can increase the range of the glue. As you can see now, you can increase the range or you can increase the intensity. Intensity means the thickness. So I'll just leave it like this. So for now, is it now. If you want to increase the size as well, go to this text, basics, scroll to down. So you can increase the size as well. So that's it now. Now you can go ahead and use this as an object for your editing. And if you want to add the glow effect to your text as well, just add the text. Here is the text. After you select the text like this, go to this text basic, scroll to down and check on this glow. Under this glow, so you can use this one or this one. So for this video, I want to use this one and click on this color. So you choose a specific color for your glow effect on your video. So use this one. So just scroll to down and increase the range. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps out.